Welcome to this powerful hypnotic session. This is about the kind of attraction that happens before a single word is spoken. It's about your energy, your presence, your masculine polarity, and how it silently draws women in. You already have this power inside you. We're simply going to activate it. Each time you listen to this recording, you'll install the magnetic habits and inner shifts that make you feel undeniably attractive. And the more you listen, the deeper it sinks in until it becomes your natural way of being. Stay with me until the very end because we're going to lock this new energy into your body so you can carry it into every room, every glance, and every interaction. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Now exhale through your mouth and let go. Again, in through the nose. Hold and release. Let your body start to slow down. Notice your shoulders dropping, your jaw softening, your chest relaxing. Let every breath take you deeper. With every exhale, your body becomes heavier, more still, more relaxed. Now imagine a wave of warmth beginning at the top of your head, flowing downward across your forehead, your eyes, your face, down your neck and shoulders, down your spine, arms, hands. Your entire body now softens, still, relaxed, receptive. Picture yourself walking into a room. You're calm. You're not looking for attention. You are the attention. As you walk slowly down a hallway in your mind, you go deeper into this energy. With each step, your presence expands. With each breath, your silence becomes more powerful. Count backwards with me. 10. Deeper into your body. 9. Slower mind. 8. Heavy magnetic. 7. Relaxed control. 6. Still centered. 5. Calm dominance. 4. Quiet power. 3. You don't need to speak. 2. Because your presence speaks for you. 1. Fully immersed in silent attraction. Now visualize yourself standing in a bar, a cafe, or a public place. You're not trying, you're just being. Your back is straight. Your breath is calm. Your gaze is focused, not searching, but settled, anchored. You scan the room, slow, deliberate eye contact. Women feel something as soon as you enter. They glance, then glance again. They notice how still you are, how relaxed your posture is, how present you seem. In a world full of noise, you are still. They wonder, who is that man? He's not chasing, he's not performing, he's radiating something real. One woman turns toward you. She holds your eye for a second too long. She plays with her hair. She adjusts her clothes. She moves closer. Without saying a word, you've already started the dance. She feels your magnetism. She's curious. She's intrigued. She's pulled in. You've said nothing, but your energy has already spoken. Let these truths root deep into your subconscious. I attract women with my presence. My silence is powerful and magnetic. I don't chase, I pull. My eye contact speaks volumes. I am calm, still, and deeply masculine. Women feel drawn to me before I speak. I radiate mystery, strength, and desire. I own the space I stand in. My presence does the talking. I am the man women can't ignore. Now bring that energy into your chest. Breathe in deeply. And imagine your magnetism expanding from your heart outward. Each breath, it grows. Each breath, it intensifies. Your body is now charged with this silent power. You feel grounded. You feel strong. You feel unshakably attractive. This is now part of who you are. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you'll return fully alert, feeling more confident, calm, and magnetic than ever before. You'll carry this silent attraction into every room, every interaction, every glance. 1. Slowly returning. 2. Your energy rising. 3. Fully grounded in masculine presence. 4. Confident, still, strong. 5. Eyes open, fully back, fully powerful. Welcome back. And remember, you don't need to chase. You are the pull. Thank you.